Good morning, children. Hope you must have revised Chapter 5 Human Body, Nutrition and Food in General Science. Today we are going to do Chapter 6 Strong, Healthy Teeth. We'll be doing a part of this chapter, not full chapter. We'll be doing only part of this chapter. We'll be doing structure of tooth and different types of teeth. Children, can you see this healthy set of teeth? Look how beautiful and healthy these set of teeth are looking. You can see the teeth of the upper and lower jaw. How many teeth do you have? Do you know that? Have you ever counted? Ask your friends to count. Count your mother's teeth. How many teeth does she have? Look into a baby's mouth. How many teeth do you see? Now children, you have two set of teeth. All the human beings has two set of teeth. One is called milk teeth and the second permanent teeth. Milk teeth, with the word itself milk, you will come to know this teeth belongs to the small children, those who are drinking milk in the early age. You had no teeth when you were born. Can you see this picture? Teeth probably started growing when you were a baby of about 6 months. These were milk teeth. You must have had 28 milk teeth in all, but these teeth did not last long. You know, when you were born, there were no teeth at all. Bina daant ke the aap. And about a baby of about 6 months, about 6 months ke ho gaye, then teeth started coming, and you had 28 teeth. But these teeth did not last long. थोड़े टाइम के बाद ये teeth गिर गया. अब second set of teeth है, that is called the permanent teeth. Around the age of 6, your milk teeth probably started falling out. Some of you may be losing them even now. Now teeth grow out in the place of milk teeth. These are your permanent teeth. How many permanent teeth do you have? Children, still some of you must be facing the teeth falling. जो आपका मिल्क टीथ था वो गिर रहा होगा अभी भी, उसके जगह permanent teeth आ रहे हैं. Do you know how many permanent teeth are there? There are 32 permanent teeth in an adult. And if you have a balanced diet and clean your teeth properly, your teeth will last you all your life. As people grow old, they often start losing their teeth. When the teeth fall out, the shape of the person's face changes. Can you see this Dadi? Can you see this grandma? Look at her face. All her teeth are gone. So she is having such a face without teeth. So sweet she is looking now. How teeth help us? Teeth help us to chew food well. Properly chewed food is fine and gets digested properly. The teeth helps you to chew food. आप खाना कैसे खाते हो? जैसे मुंह में डाला उसके बाद आप चबाते हो. Teeth helps that. Helps to chew the food. Secondly, teeth helps to speak properly. That is why sometimes you cannot understand the speech of old people who have lost their teeth. Now, structure of tooth. This is very important. Now, can you see the structure of tooth? It has got enamel, dentine, pulp. Can you see that? This is the structure of a tooth. A tooth is made up of different parts. Some parts are hard and some are soft. Now, there are 4 parts of a tooth: enamel, dentine, pulp and root. What is enamel? A tooth is covered with enamel. Enamel is the hardest thing in the body. Can you see in the picture, the topmost layer is called enamel. It is very hard. It is the hardest thing in the body. Now second, you can see in yellow color, that is the dentine. Just below the enamel lies a layer of dentine. Dentine is not as hard as enamel. It's yellowish in color. Now next is the pulp. Can you see the veins going in the pulp? Red, blue, green. These are the pulp. Under the dentine lies the pulp. Pulp is the soft part. ये बहुत soft होता है of the tooth. It has nerves and blood vessels. Blood brings nutrients to tooth to keep it healthy. जो हमारे बॉडी में जो ब्लड बनता है, जो हमने पहले भी सीखा था, उसमें जो भी हमारे ब्लड में न्यूट्रिएंट्स होता है वो इस पल्प में लेके आता है. इट कीप्स द टीथ हेल्दी. नाउ लास्ट फॉर ऑल इज द रूट. कैन यू सी द रूट? The root of a tooth is fixed inside the gums. This makes sure that the tooth stays in place. वो जो root है उस tooth को पकड़ के रखता है. How the tree or plant keeps the plant and trees safe, that is the root. It holds the plant. In the same way, the root of a tooth also holds the teeth. Now let's talk about different types of teeth. Now you can see the different types of teeth. There are 4 different types of teeth. They are called incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Different teeth do different things. Now incisors help to bite into foods such as an apple or a biscuit. Now the name suggests this teeth helps to cut like scissors. Have you seen scissors cutting the cloth? And many a times they even cut vegetables with scissors. So the name itself suggests that it cuts and bites the teeth. Okay, there are in total there are 8 incisors, 4 on the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Can you see the picture? Now let's talk about the second type, that is the canines. Canines are pointed teeth. They help to tear food, like separating meat from a bone. आपने डॉग को खाते हुए देखा होगा, जैसे आप उसको कोई बोन कुछ डाल के देते हो तो वो टीयर करता है, उसमें से कैनाइन से वो काट के अलग करता है बोन से मीट को. दे ऑल्सो हेल्प टू टेक हार्डर बाइट देन इज पॉसिबल विथ इंसिजर्स. इंसिजर्स में वो इतना हार्डर बाइट नहीं ले पाते, लेकिन कैनाइन्स बहुत हार्ड बाइट लेता है. नाउ थर्ड एंड फोर्थ are premolars and the molars are broad teeth. आपके पीछे पीछे आपको पता होगा बहुत ही broad teeth है. They help to munch, crush and grind food. आगे से आप दांत से आप खाना काटते हो और पीछे की तरफ ले जाते हो and you start munching and crushing and grinding the food. And premolars are 4 in the upper jaw, 4 in the lower jaw. Total is 8. And molars are 6 in the upper jaw, 6 in the lower jaw, that is total is 12. And canines 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw, total comes to 4. So this table tells us our teeth, we have in a adult we have 32 teeth, okay, in total. And they have shown you this table which shows how many teeth are there in the upper jaw, how many teeth are in the lower jaw, and they are also showing you the total teeth. Now here they are showing you left jaw and right jaw. In left jaw and right jaw, I, where it is written I, they are incisors, C are canines, and P are premolars, and M are molars. You need not to learn to draw this picture. It's only meant to help and identify the teeth in your mouth. आपको कोई इसे learn करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो picture हम दिखा रहे हैं, you don't have to learn them. This is just showing you, आपको खुद एक knowledge के लिए how your upper and lower jaw has the set of teeth and which teeth has to be named what. So with this we will wind up this video, since in the next video we will be doing why brushing keeps teeth healthy and bacteria and viruses and protozoa. Here we'll end this. I hope you have understood the different types of teeth like incisors, canines, premolars and molars, and you must have even understood the structure of the tooth, enamel, dentine, pulp and root, and what are permanent teeth and what are milk teeth. I hope you must have understood. Read the chapter, make short questions in between and learn them very nicely. I'll be sending the PDF of these pages. Thank you. God bless you and have a nice day.